YouTube, how are we? Round about this week. We really had nothing planned at all, didn't know what we were going to do, and we decided to go to a little place called Gladstone. We're at the Heritage Hotel in Gladstone, and of course, and we're trialling out the new Cardo headsets, which I would like to say I don't know if I'm a fan of. A lot of features on it. I've got to go and do a degree to be able to work it all out. So that's good. I mean, it's good that you can hook all the other riders up. It's got the DMC mesh, so it just links straight in, cuts straight out, you know, things like that. It's going to take a little bit getting used to after having the SCS brand of headsets. And so here's Roxy. So what do you think, Dale? About the headsets?
Yeah, they're fine. Like,
She likes it.
sound-wise, they're good. When we first put them on, it was weird because there was echo because we had it on private chat.
But then again, that's the first time we put them on. It's been a week since we put them in. We haven't even really had a look at, have we?
No.
Had a look at them. So
This is the first time we're using them. Even turn them on. And listening to them properly through the.
Of course, I've looked at a heap of video clips and things like that. A lot of stuff on YouTube about them. If you want to go and have a look at them. So what is good? Roxy's connected to her phone. I'm connected to my phone, and I can't hear hers, but I can hear mine. With the other ones, the SS9, which I know it's a couple of years old, but I could actually hear her phone ringing or message coming through with that. So that was a bit of an annoyance for me, because I go, "What's that?" Oh, I didn't know what it was, but then I worked it out. It was her phone. So, but anyway, so we just come for a ride to Gladstone. It's a beautiful day. I want to thank all my people that have subscribed to my channel. I know we're not the most riveting people, I suppose. If you like what we're doing, thank you very much. I do appreciate it, and I do appreciate some of the feedback that I've been getting.
And we're open to all feedback, good, bad, and otherwise.
Yeah, that's right. So,
some of the otherwise we might not respond to, but it is what it is.
no, that's fine, but that's the way it is. So we're going to have some lunch here at Gladstone, and if I can, I'm going to go and show you the Milo factory across the river. So the place is separated by a river. One side of the river is Gladstone, where we are, and a lot of cafes and coffee shops and the pub and boutique space. It's a beautiful little old town.
Got some beautiful old buildings.
So if you're in Kempsey, come up.
buildings.
I'll show you. I'll give you a view after we have lunch. But we even looked at coming. Like when we were going to move up this way, we looked at actually coming here, and probably wish we did now. But no, it's all right. We like where we are.
For the now.
So on across the other side of the river is called Smithtown, and that's where the Milo factory is. We're about, I don't know, we're not that far. We're only about 15 k's out of Kempsey, aren't we?
Yeah, it's not that far.
So in between Kempsey and the coast. So there we go. So I hope you enjoy this. A little bit of a ride around. We went down towards Southwest Rocks, followed the river down and come back. We always like to do that when we come this way. So we've come south from Maxville this week. And enjoy. Thanks, guys. the Nestlé's cafe where they make Milo, and I'd like to say it's Australian owned, but it's not. So that's the So we've just popped into the Salty Captain down or the general store actually, at Hat's Head, to have an ice cream. We just had an ice cream. As I was saying before, I showed you the Nestle factory that's in between Kempsey and the coast. That's where the Milo is made from, and it's a Swiss-owned company. It's part of Nestle Oceania, which is Asia Pacific area. So there we go. So we're just gonna head back now, get back towards Southwest Rocks on the way home, and we're just gonna unwind ourselves basically. So enjoy the rest of the trip. We'll see you when we get home. And we're home. I hope you've enjoyed our little adventure. Just a little trip away, had lunch. We don't do this. once a week we do this, is we spoil ourselves. Basically,
Date day.
it's a date day. Well, you got to do something every 7 rules. Every 7 days, you go out and just do something. No matter what it is, just spend time together. Every 7 weeks, go and have a night somewhere, and then every 7 months, have a holiday. Go and have a couple of nights out, a week away or something like that. And we've got a couple of trips coming up, so that's going to,
we're condensing them all into one lot.
It's into one. So there you go. I was going to say something else and I just lost it all. Don't know what I'm going to say now. Oh, yeah. So Roxy's line of work, she's basically a counsellor. She does counselling. And this is the day she likes to get away and not have anything like that. Now, she gets on her phone all the time. Yes, because she gets on Instagram and that's how she gets her businesses about. But today her phone played up and then everybody's ringing up trying to get her because their world is not right, it's not meshing. So it's the full moon. There we go. I told her that I get into an animalistic mode, so there we go. Whatever, make it whatever you want. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today. And we'll catch you on the next one. God bless you all. See ya.